Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energy starting from 18th till 24th of October. In this video, I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies, okay? So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, alright? So let's get started with your reading now. For my Aquarius, 18th till 24th of October, Sun, Moon, Rising in Venus signs. To book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there if you want, alright? So, let's see. Wow. Okay, so your overall energy is the Eight of Wands. Okay, just a second. So many of you are traveling. Okay, so some of you are literally like, this is more like a situation where you might be, since I am seeing many firecrackers over here, so this is the time you might be celebrating. Okay, you might be visiting a friend's marriage, attending a friend's marriage or some relative's marriage, something like that. For some of you, you are traveling to some other places. Could be a little small travels, but yeah, there's too much going on around you. Okay, so this is not only about the positive stuff, this could be something bad, something not expected. So things are pretty much fast, as in you are going through too much. Okay, so in the past we have Ace of Swords, Two of Wands and Six of Pentacles. It feels like um you you really were at a place where you started something new. Okay, this was in situation with communication, uh, like communicating with somebody with whom things were not fine. So things started to go fine with this person. Things were really fine. Things were like, let's take next step with you. Okay, let's just go on. Let's do good to each other. So this was a very healthy conversation. If there was a conversation in your life with somebody, it was healthy. It was like, okay, let's start fresh. For some of you, I really feel that a feeling of really giving so much into a situation, and you are just giving and giving and giving. You had plans for a situation, you had thoughts about a situation, but I see all these things from your end more rather than someone else's end. Okay, at present we have okay, Queen of Cups, the Sun and the Emperor. So this is very dominating energy to me, although you could be dealing with a Cancer, Leo or Aries, but it feels like you are at a place where there's a lot of dominance around you, uh, because you are a person who really wants and who really wants to share stuff, share love, but you are the one who is being dominated by someone, or you are dominating someone. I don't feel that it's you. hmm we'll check in a bit. Okay, in the coming future we have a balance, transformation and King of Cups. So this is definitely something big. Okay, it's more like a situation where you are going, you wherever you are. Okay, you had lots of ups and downs, so that is why we were saying that there's a lot of things which are going on in your life, because you are different and the people whom you are meeting, they are different. So you are finding balance. So how to control these people who are controlling you, not controlling, how to tackle these people. So you are going to learn these kind of stuff in the coming future. So this is something which you might be getting help from elder one. Could be a father, could be a teacher, but somebody will teach you how to deal with these kind of people. You can read books as well for dealing people, for these kind of people basically. Okay, so let me clarify now, because your reading is very different from other readings. Tell me more about the Eight of Wands for my Aquarius, please. Hermit, Emperor, and Six of Cups. Yeah, definitely. You want peace. You want that things should be fine. Okay, you want peace with the situation. It could be a reconciliation, talking to a past person, and you at the same time you are getting dominated by the same person or by someone else. So that is why you do not want all these things to happen, and you are not feeling really good for the situation, because you want things to find a little balance. Okay, you want things to go the way they want to go. You do not want to rush anything right now. You just want to move ahead the way universe wants you to move ahead. Tell me more about the Two of Wands in the past energies. Queen of Cups, Wheel of Fortune and Judgment. Yeah, definitely. This is something big you were planning about. There were a lot of plans, either with this person or with the situation like that. There were a lot of plans inside your head. You always wanted to change your destiny. Okay, this is the Wheel of Fortune. So this was something which could have changed your destiny. You have actually asked help from many people, but you didn't receive any help. So that is why things went bad for you, although many people actually helped you as well. So it's not about who are not helping you, it's about who actually are helping you. So you got to know about the people who are helping you and who are true to you. So you got to know the difference between the fake and the real people. Okay, tell me more about the Sun energy in the present. Strength, Lovers, and King of Cups. I am really getting strong Cups energy. I have received the two Queen of Cups from both the decks and two King of Cups as well. So this is regarding a situation or a couple also for some of you. This is could be a Cancer and Scorpio couple, but I am really getting a vibe of a positive communication and a positive relationship. The relationship does not involve about who were your ex or who did bad to you, as I already told you, but about finding who is actually the real one. You are surrounded by the real person, Aquarius. The person is surrounding you. Okay, somewhere you might have met, you might have not met, you might have just talked to this person like one or two times, or you could be dealing with this person as a relationship. Okay, so somebody is there, somebody is thinking about you. So you just need to find the soulmate energies, because I am really getting a strong vibe of somebody who is helping you, somebody who is being there for you, although you might not be for them, but they are for you. Someone is there. Also, we have both the Emperor cards as well from both the decks. So there are two meanings of this Emperor card in my reading today. Since one is somebody is coming in between both of you, somebody who is a dominant person. It could be a mother, it could be a father, it could be someone third person, because there's a strong strong how to say this uh, dominance. Yeah, dominance in this relationship. There's a strong controlling in this relationship. Somebody else is controlling. I don't see that this is your person's energy or yours energy. This is someone else's energy which is trying to control you and the relationship. Okay, the second meaning is either like out of both of you, one is trying to control his or her feelings. So for some of you it could be it could be the same thing, like I'm not going to, I'm in my healing mode, or I'm in a situation where I do not want this person back in my life. So somebody is trying to control his or her feelings, although there's a lot of love in the situation which I can see, but somebody doesn't want to be in this love situation anymore. Okay, so tell me more about the transformation card in the coming future. Ten of Swords, Four of Swords, and the Fool. So definitely, you want a new beginning. So with whom you want this new beginning, whether this with the old person or with the new person, that is what you will find out in the coming future, because the old is gone. Okay, so the old is. We always say that old is gold, but for you, old is enough. Okay, so it's like I have been there, I have done that, I have always. Found that you have always disrespected me. So for those people who were dealing with the exes, there is a healing period which is coming towards you for your exes, because there's a different transformation, whole new transformation with a new beginning, because you might have found a new person in your life. This person could be around you, you might be meeting this new person, or like they are around you, because balance is there. Okay, balance is the temperance energy. You are done with the past, my dear Aquarius. I feel that somebody new is along your way. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Aquarius. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.